I'll have to make this quick because it is so hot in here and we're due a really stifling heat wave over the next few days. But we are on the move again. In fact, most of the projects I've done lately have wheels or things that I can cart about. Excuse my face, I haven't even had time to put makeup on or anything because we've just been constantly boxing, moving things for the last, on and off for the last week, and my makeup's packed away as well. But yeah, I've had a lot of fun. I've also had a lot of tools that I've not been able to unbox. And over the next few weeks, or maybe I've done it already, no, over the next few weeks, I'll be doing things like a shop tour in reverse because I never ever got around to doing one. It'd always been on my mind. So hopefully that's going to be interesting. I'm also going to be talking about tools that I don't really like in here or didn't like in here. I get a lot of questions actually about certain tools, and so I thought, yeah, I'll talk about those while I'm going along. Completely forgot to attach this vise and all our cutleries. We don't have a screwdriver, so I'm going to try and get a knife somewhere and get the last screws, the bolts, they can come undone. But that's been so useful. There's a few things in here that I've left though that are so bespoke to this shed, like the screw holders, and in fact I'll move the camera around. Anyway, this has been a godsend for all of my silicons and stuff. Yeah, but the place that we're moving to, and actually, yeah, let's talk about that. So for the next few weeks, we'll be living on the narrowboat. Some people thought I lived on there full time, which I didn't, but we'll be on there for a few weeks until the house that we're buying is complete. So once that's all sorted, I can't wait to share more about it because I'm looking forward to a bigger workshop, more space to build bigger projects, sheds. I've got so many ideas, and yeah, I've run out of garden space here as well. And we've got a last few things to sort out in the house. It's empty, but there's like the fridge to empty. Let's try and do this. Always leave a screwdriver around till the very end. Oh, that needs melting in. Come on. No, forget it. I'll buy a new one. You're gonna miss it. You didn't like it in here anyway, did you? You don't like noise. Come on, let's go. Grab your brick. Come on. Bye, workshop.